Did you know that after age 50, your body requires fewer calories but more nutrients than when you were younger? It's like attempting to pack the same amount of clothing into a smaller suitcase. You have to be wiser about what you select. Here's something that might astonish you. As we mature, our immune systems naturally decline, making us more susceptible to chronic conditions, falls, hospital visits, and illness. But here's the uplifting news. Proper nutrition can help prevent or significantly minimize these age-related risks. Many of the aches, pains, and energy drops we attribute to getting older are actually indicators that our bodies are not receiving the right nourishment. Today, I want to share something encouraging with you. It's absolutely never too late to start eating better, and you don't require a complete overhaul of your diet to see genuine benefits. Hello, and welcome back to our channel. I'm here to support you on your journey to enhanced health after 50. Today, we're exploring eating well after 50, and I'm going to reveal 5 practical, science-backed strategies to make healthier food choices that will help you flourish in this wonderful stage of life. These aren't complicated dietary rules or expensive superfoods. They're simple approaches that you can start implementing today, regardless of what your current eating habits look like. Let's begin with a simple visual guide that makes healthy eating easier, the MyPlate approach from the USDA. Visualize your plate divided into sections. Half should be fruits and vegetables, 1/4 lean protein, and 1/4 whole grains. This isn't just a nice concept. It's specifically designed to help people over 50 obtain the nutrients they need most. After 50, every bite matters because your body requires the same vitamins and minerals but with fewer calories. Here are some powerhouse nutrients you should emphasize. Fiber-rich foods like avocados, raspberries, artichokes, beans, and lentils assist with digestion and heart health. Protein from fish, lean meat, eggs, and beans helps maintain muscle mass. Calcium from low-fat dairy, kale, and sardines supports bone health, which becomes vital as we mature. Simple swaps you can implement today. Select brown rice instead of white rice for extra fiber and magnesium. When purchasing whole grain bread, look for the 100% whole grain stamp. This means you're getting a full serving of whole grains, not just half. Include dark leafy greens like spinach to smoothies for folate and magnesium. Snack on nuts and seeds for healthy fats, protein, and fiber, all in one. Consider your plate as your daily insurance policy. The right balance helps protect you from many age-related health challenges. Here's something many people don't realize. After age 50, we begin losing muscle mass at a rate of about 1–2% per year if we're not intentional about maintaining it. But it's not solely about protein. There are several crucial nutrients that become extra important for healthy aging. Vitamin B12 becomes harder to absorb as we mature. Excellent sources include fish, shellfish, lean red meat, low-fat dairy, cheese, and eggs. Vitamin D, which many of us don't get sufficient amounts of, comes from fatty fish, fortified milk, and yes, some sunshine. Calcium isn't just in dairy. You'll discover it in sardines, kale, and broccoli too. The secret is distributing these nutrients throughout your day, not just loading up at one meal. Include Greek yogurt to your breakfast. It contains twice the protein of regular yogurt plus calcium. Incorporate fatty fish like salmon or sardines twice a week for vitamin D and omega-3s. Keep hard-boiled eggs in the refrigerator for quick B12-rich snacks. Include beans to your soups and salads for protein, folate, and fiber. Snack on a handful of nuts or seeds for magnesium and healthy fats. Don't worry if you're not a big meat eater. Beans, lentils, nuts, and dairy products are outstanding sources of many of these nutrients. Consider these foods as your body's maintenance crew. They help keep everything running smoothly. Now, let's discuss fats and another crucial nutrient, potassium. Your brain is approximately 60% fat, and after 50, selecting the right fats becomes even more vital for heart health, brain function, and reducing inflammation in your body. Omega-3 fatty acids are particularly essential for brain health and reducing inflammation. You'll find them in flaxseed oil, fatty fish, walnuts, and even spinach. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart health, and you can discover it in unexpected places beyond bananas. Smart choices to embrace. Utilize olive oil for cooking and salad dressings. Consume fatty fish like salmon, mackerel, or sardines twice a week for omega-3s. Try avocado. It's abundant in both healthy fats and potassium. Include spinach to your meals for omega-3s and folate. Snack on nuts and seeds for healthy fats and magnesium. Sweet potatoes and white beans are outstanding potassium sources. Greek yogurt provides both protein and potassium fats to minimize. Try to reduce fried foods, processed snacks, and anything with partially hydrogenated oils on the label. Consider good fats and potassium like a premium maintenance package for your heart and brain. They help everything operate more smoothly and can even help lower blood pressure. As we mature, our sense of thirst isn't as sharp as it used to be, which means many of us walk around mildly dehydrated without realizing it. This becomes even more critical because many medications can increase your chances of dehydration. Here's the specific guidance. Healthy men over 51 should target about 13 cups of fluid daily, while women should aim for 9 cups. Don't worry. This encompasses all fluids from drinking water, beverages, and even the water content in foods like soups and fruits. Proper hydration helps prevent fatigue, headaches, constipation, and even confusion. Symptoms we often attribute to aging when they might just be signs of dehydration. Hydration strategies that work. Keep a water bottle visible on your counter as a reminder. Try herbal teas for variety. They count toward your fluid intake. Include slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint to plain water for flavor. Select low-sodium vegetable juice as a nutrient boost. Remember that foods like watermelon, soups, and yogurt also contribute to hydration. Be mindful of sugary drinks, excessive caffeine, which can interfere with calcium absorption, and alcohol, which can interact with medications and affect sleep quality. This final tip might be the most practical one of all. Many people believe eating healthy is expensive, but with some clever strategies, you can nourish your body well regardless of your budget. Be a smart label reader. When purchasing packaged foods, look for items lower in sodium, added sugar, and unhealthy fats. Select spices instead of salt to season your food, and consider natural sweeteners like stevia instead of sugar. Remember, fresh is often best, but frozen fruits and vegetables are just as nutritious and often more affordable. Purchase whole grains in bulk. They're filling and cost-effective. Utilize beans and lentils as affordable protein sources. Frozen vegetables are just as nutritious as fresh and last longer. Shop seasonal produce for the best prices. Don't overlook canned fish like sardines. They're packed with calcium and omega-3s. Know your resources. If you're struggling financially, there are programs that can assist. The Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, SNAP, can help with grocery costs, and many areas have services like Meals on Wheels. SNAP even covers many grocery delivery services now. Visit benefitscheckup.org to see what assistance you might qualify for. The Hunger Scale Technique. Before eating, rate your hunger from 1 to 10. Begin eating when you're at a 3 or 4, and stop when you reach a 6 or 7. This helps you honor your body's signals and avoid waste. Remember, eating well is not about perfection or spending lots of money. It's about making informed choices that work for your body and your budget. Let's recap these 5 powerful strategies for eating well after 50. First, power up with fiber and whole grains to support your digestive health and keep you feeling satisfied. Second, protect your muscles with quality protein distributed throughout your day. Remember, strong muscles help you stay independent and energetic. Third, select heart-healthy fats like olive oil, nuts, and fatty fish to support your brain and cardiovascular health. Fourth, stay hydrated with smarter beverage choices, making water and herbal teas your go-to options. And fifth, practice smart shopping and mindful eating to make every bite count and honor your body's changing needs. Here's what I want you to remember. You don't have to implement all these changes at once. Pick one tip that resonates with you and focus on that for the next week. Small, consistent changes are much more powerful than attempting to overhaul everything overnight. Your body has carried you through decades of life, and it deserves to be nourished well in this next chapter. These aren't just food choices. They're investments in your energy, your health, and your ability to enjoy all the wonderful experiences that lie ahead. I hope you're feeling inspired and empowered to make some positive changes. Remember, it's never too late to begin treating your body better, and every healthy choice you make is a gift to your future self. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more practical health advice designed specifically for life after 50. Ring that notification bell so you never miss our latest tips. Before we go, I want to remind you that while these are general guidelines based on solid research, everyone's health needs are unique. Please discuss with your doctor or a registered dietitian before making any major changes to your diet, especially if you have existing health conditions or take medications. What's one healthy change you're excited to try this week? Share it in the comments below. I love hearing about your health journey, and your experience might inspire someone else. Until next time, take care of yourself. You're worth it.